Hi all! For our final lesson in this module, we will go over cognitive pitfalls that may occur from AI usage. We have established that users, especially children and adolescents, are predisposed to possibly overtrusting generative AI output, and there is a risk that this trust can become a dependence that can weaken or replace crucial cognitive skill building events as they accept AI output without questioning it. This is a common conversation in the AI usage research sphere and is widely spearheaded by concerned educators and students. In a research study done to collect student sentiment on AI usage, 226 students were questioned on their thoughts regarding generative AI in schools. The results showed that students agree that AI usage could diminish critical thinking engagement and are concerned about problem-solving skills weakening, especially with how AI tools can make students dependent on technology. Another similar study reported that a majority of questioned students were worried about depletion of critical thinking skills and over-reliance on AI tools as well, and there are more like that from students and teachers alike. This topic has a lot of variability amongst research, as cognitive ability can be defined in different ways and evaluated with different methods. Some studies, like the ones we will talk about now, highlight negative impacts on analytical, critical, and cognitive abilities when younger generations use generative AI, but other studies claim overall better performance and confidence when tested. Before we dive deeper, this distinction is necessary to highlight the novelty of this type of research and why it is crucial to stay up to date on news and research regarding these tools, as conclusions can change day by day. Regardless, many are concerned with the potential for cognitive harm and decline while using these tools. For younger generations, especially those in school, education provides a key space to develop creative, analytical, critical, and decision-making skills, as these skills are required to analyze, create, and evaluate. Research and education fundamentally rely on evidence, and decision-making, critical thinking, and analytical thinking are crucial for thoroughly analyzing and assessing the quality of information found in existing literature studies for a student's own assignments. There is also some distinction amongst the skills that are at risk between children and adolescents. For children, the risk is more for the, quote, automation of core skills, while for adolescents, the risk is tied more to confidence in their skills and themselves. Some research has shown that AI usage can lead to lower information retention, and that utilizing GPT-based tutors can lead to cognitive offloading that results in minimal learning. Cognitive offloading refers to the process of using external tools, such as a notepad, to decrease mental load while completing tasks. While existing cognitive offloading resources used to mainly be simply buckets to store information or perform certain calculations, generative AI introduces a new source of cognitive offloading that can achieve results no other resource has been able to do in an accessible, fast, and intelligent way. When this tool is used in conjunction with developmental learning events, such as a challenging exam or extensive final project, concerns arise on adolescents' ability to not only become overconfident in their skills while simultaneously cognitively offloading too much to their generative AI tools, but also the risk of students over-relying on hallucinated, biased, or incomplete information. This dependence can go even one level deeper, as AI tools have been observed to plagiarize or incorrectly source cited material, which students may in turn unintentionally use as they become less likely to challenge or analyze the output they receive from these AI tools. While research is mixed, this should not be taken as a black and white scenario. There's a possibility that generative AI tools have the ability to strengthen certain types of learning outcomes while diminishing others at the same time. While researchers are working on developing ways to measure and evaluate which outcomes these may be, it is up to us to remain vigilant and reduce risk where possible as new conclusions are published.